Hello, I'm Jerry Fort. Gonna do a comparison video. This one has been waiting a long time to be done. I've been waiting for Jeremy to do this with me, but he's hard to get to do reviews these days. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this one. These have been sitting in my refrigerator for a pretty long time. Dark Anubis had wanted me to do this comparison video, and that's why I was going to get Jeremy to assist me with it. But okay. Dates are still good. So there we go. And Jal Pro mentioned that he'd like to see some energy drink reviews, so I'm going to go ahead and get some. He wanted me to get some Rippets, and I've seen them. I forgot to check to see if I've even reviewed any of them. I think I have, but start getting some of those, and a few here and there. Then I'll ask Jeremy if he wants to review some with me. If he does another time, I'll just do them myself. So maybe he'll do some with me. But so there you go. I'm going to do this comparison video. Dark Anubis wanted to see this a long time ago, and so I'm going to do this one. Am I going to drink both of them? No, I'm not going to drink both of them. That's a lot of caffeine. So I'll drink some of both of them. But yeah, so there you go. Red Bull compared to Rockstar. So let's go ahead. Excuse me. Lightly carbonated with taurine. Red Bull energy drink. Red Bull is appreciated worldwide by top athletes, busy professionals, college students, travelers, and painters on long journeys. Just kidding. College students and travelers on long journeys. 160 calories. Caffeine content is 114 milligrams. All right, let's pour this one off first, and we'll look at the color comparison. They're probably going to be pretty close to the same. Has that kind of gasoline kind of look to it. Smells good. Has kind of a berry aroma. It's been a while since I've had one of these. Berry or kind of a bubblegum kind of sweetness to it. The color is different. This Rockstar is providing a little head to it. Oh, they're very different. Yeah. So the Rockstar, writing little notes there. It still has a little bit of head left to it, which is surprising for an energy drink. They both got, carbonation that you can see there. This one has a little bit more of a yellow tint to it than this one. This has a little bit more of a orangish, deep orangish kind of a thing going on. Let's see, calories were 270 on the Rockstar compared to 160 on the Red Bull. Caffeine content on the Rockstar is 160 milligrams compared to 114 on the Red Bull. Yeah, so the Red Bull had that kind of a berry aroma with kind of a bubblegum thing going on. Rockstar has it kind of has a berry aroma as well. Not so much of a bubblegum really, but it's like a kind of cotton candy-ish, kind of. What is that? Yeah. Kind of like a cream soda kind of thing. I knew it smelled kind of familiar. So this one doesn't have a cream soda? No, this isn't cream soda like, but this one here it does. The Rockstar does have cream soda kind of a thing going on. This was more berry and I'm sure I said bubblegum. When I originally reviewed this with Jeremy, probably the Red Bull, I probably said bubblegum because that's what it kind of reminds me of. It's kind of like a berry bubblegum. Okay. All right, well, let's see if we get all the same characteristics on the taste as we do on the aroma. So Red Bull first. Nice carbonation. It has kind of a tart aftertaste. About a medium carbonation on it. Yeah. Pretty sweet. Pretty sweet. It still does kind of have a berry and a bubblegum kind of taste to it. But now that tartness kind of makes it kind of like a sour berry kind of thing. All right, let's see what this Rockstar brings to the table. It still kind of has a cream soda kind of taste to it. It still kind of has a liquid kind of cotton candy kind of taste. The tartness it has a light tartness. This Red Bull has a bigger tartness to it, sour kind of thing. The carbonation isn't as aggressive on the Rockstar. Yeah. They're both good. I like them. They're the originals, you know. Huh, that's funny. Red Bull says lightly carbonated. I'm sure I read that. But when you, I mean, yeah, it's not real carbonated, but compared to the Rockstar, it's got a little bit more to it. Yeah, it actually kind of seems like as it sits here in the cup, just like pop does, soda pop, carbonation starts to die down a little bit. So it's getting lighter as it sits here. So there you go. Do you want me to tell you which one I would prefer? I mean, if someone asked me, do you want a Rockstar or do you want a Red Bull? I got both. I'd probably take the Rockstar. I like that cream soda taste that it's got going on, the cotton candy thing. This berry and bubble gum on the Red Bull is good too, but I like cream sodas, so that kind of draws me in. The carbonation being a little bit lighter kind of draws me toward the Rockstar. So yeah, the Rockstar would probably be the one I would probably prefer. But there you go. All right, Dark Anubis, if you're still subscribed and you haven't gotten tired of waiting, there you go. Hope you notice it's out, that I finally did this. And if you are still with me, I appreciate your patience. Sometimes it takes me a while to get some done, particular suggestion reviews. Excuse me. So there you go. All right. Yeah, see, there's about the same almost left. Maybe a little bit more gone on the Red Bull, but yeah, they're really close on the appearance. All right, well, I'm going to end it there. Thank you all for watching. I appreciate it, and thanks again to Dark Anubis for suggesting it. It was a fun comparison video. I did a comparison video. I think it was with Jeremy. A Red Bull compared to Monster, both originals. That I don't remember how long ago that was. I was searching to see if I'd ever done this before because it sounded familiar. But yeah, I had never done this one before. Comparison video. But there you go. All right. Yeah, thanks for watching. Appreciate it. See you on the next one.